My name is Grace. I am 29 years old. For 15 years, I visited the same doctor every week. His name was Dr. Adrian. He was my family doctor. He treated me since I was 14. He said I had a rare condition that could kill me if I did not take my medication. Every Monday at 3 p.m., I went to Dr. Adrian's clinic. He gave me an injection, a clear liquid in a small syringe. "This keeps you alive, Grace," he always said. "Without it, your body will shut down." He used to say, "You're like my own daughter, Grace." My parents trusted him completely. When they passed away in a car accident, Dr. Adrian became my only family. He was always there. Birthdays, graduations, every hospital visit. At first, the injections made me feel better, more energy, clearer mind, steady hands. But Dr. Adrian warned me, if you miss even one injection, the symptoms will come back, worse than before. How much worse? I asked. Your body will go into shock, seizures, organ failure. You could die within 48 hours. I was terrified, so I never missed, not once. One night, I woke up drenched in sweat. My body ached like I'd been hit by something. And there were marks, small red scars all over my arms, my neck, even my ribs. I didn't remember getting them. I panicked and called Dr. Adrian immediately. He answered on the first ring. "Grace, calm down," he said. "It's just a reaction. I'll be there in 10 minutes. And he was. He arrived at my house before I could even change. He brought his medical bag and, without asking, prepared another injection. "Wait," I said. "It's not time yet. You said once a week." "Your body is deteriorating faster than I thought," he said sharply. "This new dose will stabilize you." When I woke up, it was morning. He was gone. But there was a note on my bedside table. "Don't skip your next appointment. I'll explain everything soon." For days after that, I couldn't shake off the feeling that something was deeply wrong, so I did something I'd never done before. I booked an appointment with another doctor, a general physician named Dr. Rowan. It was supposed to be a simple checkup. He ran a few tests, asked about my history. When I handed him the folder of medical reports, all signed by Adrian, his face changed. He flipped through them, frowning. "Grace," he said slowly, "where did you get these?" "From my doctor, Dr. Adrian Whale. He has been treating me since I was 14. He looked up at me, his eyes full of disbelief. "Adrian Whale?" "Yes, why?" He leaned back, silent for a moment, as if trying to decide whether to tell me something. Then he said it. "Grace, Dr. Adrian Whale lost his medical license 10 years ago. He was accused of running unauthorized human trials." The room spun. "What do you mean, human trials?" I whispered. He slid one of the lab reports across the desk. "This isn't standard medication. The compound he's been injecting you with isn't even on the market. It's an experimental neuroagent. It's illegal. My hands shook. That's not possible, I said. He's a real doctor. He works in a clinic. Dr. Rowan interrupted, his voice tight. Where is this clinic, Grace? I told him. He stared at me for a long time. That building was shut down years ago. That night, I confronted Dr. Adrian. I waited outside his clinic, my heart racing. When he came out, I said, "What are you doing to me?" He didn't look surprised. He sighed. "So you finally found out?" I stepped back. "You lied to me for 15 years?" "I saved you," he said sharply. "You were dying when you were 14. I found something that worked." "You experimented on me?" "I perfected you," he whispered. There was something terrifying in his voice. Calm, proud, like he was talking about an invention, not a person. He took a step closer. "You wouldn't be alive without me. Everything you are, your body, your strength, your mind, all of it is my work." I was shaking. "You used me." He smiled faintly. "No, Grace, I created you." I ran. I ran until my legs gave out. I called Dr. Rowan, but before I could say anything, my phone died. The next morning, the clinic was empty. Dr. Adrian was gone. His office cleared out. No files, no evidence, nothing. I went to the police. They said there had been reports of missing patients linked to him. No one had ever found proof. He always disappeared before they could catch him. 3 weeks later, I started feeling sick again. My body was rejecting something, shaking, sweating, bleeding from my nose. Dr. Rowan said whatever Dr. Adrian injected in me was now part of my system. And if I stopped it completely, my organs might fail.